Hi, and today we are going to play with our multiplication and division cards, which I bought from Temu. Let's open them now. So we have one whiteboard marker and 60 cards, plus the 2 introduction cards and the front cover, plus this, so there's 64 pieces. So let's choose something for multiplication and let's do the 12 times table and work out our 12 times table on here. 12 times 1, that's 12. 12 times 2, 2 tens and 4 ones, 24. So another 12. So we have 36. Now 12 again, and 12, and we'll keep adding 12s. So we got 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, and 120. And 132 and 144. Do you know what's next? 12 times 10 is 120, then is 132, and then 144. Let's do a little maths equation. Let's try and do 37 times 4. So that's 3 tens and 7 ones. 3 tens 4 times and 7 ones. So this is 37 times 4 we're going to do. We're going to do 37 times 4. So that is 120, which is this, plus all of the ones, 28, and add them together. So 37 times 4 equals 148. Now, let's do some division. And on the back there are the answers as well. Okay, after multiplication is division. Let's go with this one. And our bus stop division. 7 divided into 7 equals 1. Okay, now, what is 2 sevens? So we need to divide something by 7, and the quotient should be 2. We don't know our dividend, so we need to work out the dividend. The easiest way to work out 7 times 2, or something divided by 7 equals 2, is split 7 into 5 and 2. You got 2 here. So you split it into 5 and 2. Now 10 plus the 2 times 2, that is 4, so it should be 14. So 0, 7, 0, 2. So 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63. Let's do the next one. 7 tenths, okay? I think so it's 70. Let's see if our quotient is 7. Yeah, the quotient was 7. So 70 divided by 10 is 7. 70 divided by 7 is 10. Then 77. Then 84. So we have some of our division tables over here. The division tables go like this. Then the 8s. Then the 9s. Then the 10s. I'm putting them the wrong way. It should be this way. Then 11. Then 12. And then this. And also this. And thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye!